Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.2.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. So first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux 24.04, that is Firefox. Then go to VirtualBox official website, it is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.2.6. Then select Linux distributions. Then select the Ubuntu 24.04. If you are on 22.04, click on this one. If you are on 25, click on here. Okay, I am on 24.04. So click on this Ubuntu 24.04 to download. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. CD downloads ls. Now install this package. Sudo dpkg-i, then just give virtual, press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, write the password of the sudo user. The user which you logged in must be the sudo user or root account. Hit enter. See, this is the expected error. It is failed because this dependency not installed. So copy this one. Sudo apt install. Paste that dependency. Hit enter. Now we'll get the error or suggestions. See, we have to run this command to fix the issue. So copy it. Sudo. Paste it. Hit enter. See, it is installing dependency. Okay, type F for confirmation and hit enter. See, successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now install same downloaded package. Sudo dpkg-i virtual. Press the tab. Hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, you got the VirtualBox. If you want to create new virtual machine, click on new. Then we have to fill all these details. Okay, or go to machine and select new. If you have the existing one, click on open, or machine and select open. Now go to this extensions. See, here we don't have any extension. Let me close this one. Now we'll install the extension pack. Okay, go back to downloads again. Then see, here we have the VirtualBox extension pack and version number 7.2.6. Click on this accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack to install. Now it will open the VirtualBox. See, here it opened the VirtualBox. Select this, install. See, this license agreement I agree is disabled. So scroll down up to the bottom. See, here we have the I agree. Click on it. Provide the password of the root account or sudo user account. Then click on authenticate. See, it is installing. See, we have successfully installed. Close this one. See, here in extensions we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox latest version 7.2.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have installed VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.